Imagine pulling up to a luxury resort, and people don't even know whether they're looking at a private jet on wheels or the future of ultra-luxury travel. That's exactly the feeling the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome delivers. This isn't just another RV or camper van. It's a rolling penthouse designed for people who want first-class comfort everywhere they go. The moment you see this machine, it already feels different. The massive illuminated grille, the smooth aerodynamic body, and those signature Maybach details instantly give it a VIP presence. It carries the elegance of a luxury limousine, but mixes it with the freedom of a modern motorhome. And honestly, this might be one of the most insane luxury travel concepts we've seen in years. Now, let's talk about the size and road presence, because this thing is enormous in the best way possible. The long body design gives it a futuristic yacht-like appearance, while the chrome accents and glowing LED lighting make it stand out day or night. Whether parked near a beach in the mountains or outside a five-star hotel, this Maybach motorhome looks like it belongs in a billionaire lifestyle movie. But the real magic starts once those automatic doors slide open. Inside, the cabin feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. You're surrounded by premium leather, crystal ambient lighting, polished wood trims, and futuristic digital displays. Every inch screams exclusivity. The seats aren't just seats, they're executive lounge chairs with massage functions, heating, cooling, and full recline modes. You could literally relax here for hours without feeling tired. And yes, Mercedes-Maybach didn't forget entertainment either. There's a massive cinematic display system, premium surround sound, hidden smart controls, and even AI-powered voice assistants throughout the cabin. Everything responds with a simple touch or voice command. It feels modern, elegant, and incredibly advanced. One of the coolest parts about the 2026 Maybach Motorhome is how it transforms into a luxury living space. With one button, sections of the cabin expand outward, creating more room inside. Suddenly, you have a spacious lounge area, a dining section, and even a private sleeping suite. It's basically a mobile luxury hotel room. The bedroom setup is absolutely stunning. Imagine soft ambient lights, a king-size bed, panoramic glass windows, and complete privacy curtains. Waking up inside this thing with a mountain or ocean view would feel unreal. And the bathroom? It's designed like a high-end spa with marble-inspired finishes, premium lighting, and smart touch controls. Now, let's talk kitchen, because yes, this motorhome includes a fully premium setup. There's a sleek modern kitchen with hidden storage, smart appliances, luxury countertops, and a futuristic coffee station. Whether you're traveling across cities or camping somewhere remote, you still get 5-star comfort. Performance-wise, the 2026 Maybach Motorhome is expected to combine luxury with powerful hybrid or fully electric technology. That means silent driving, smooth acceleration, and impressive efficiency for such a massive vehicle. Mercedes is clearly pushing toward a cleaner and smarter future, and this concept fits perfectly into that vision. Driving this thing probably feels more relaxing than stressful. Advanced driver assistance systems, 360-degree cameras, adaptive suspension, and semi-autonomous features help make the experience smooth and effortless. Even with its large size, the technology makes it feel surprisingly manageable on the road. Safety is another huge focus here. Mercedes-Maybach is known for top-tier engineering, so expect features like intelligent collision prevention, lane assist, emergency braking, smart cruise control, and ultra-strong body construction. It's luxury, but with serious attention to protection and comfort. What really makes this vehicle special is the lifestyle it represents. This isn't made for ordinary travel. It's for people who want freedom without sacrificing luxury. You can drive across countries, stop anywhere, and still feel like you're inside a private suite. No airport stress, no hotel check-ins, no compromises. And honestly, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome feels like a glimpse into the future of luxury transportation. As more people look for personalized travel experiences, Vehicles like this could completely change the way wealthy travelers explore the world. So, would you actually live the luxury road trip life in this futuristic Maybach mansion on wheels? Or would you still choose a private jet instead? Let me know in the comments, because this machine is definitely built to start conversations. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more futuristic luxury cars, insane concept vehicles, and next-generation automotive technology coming your way soon.